आपने ट्रेलर देखा, आपने रील देखा, आपने समय को गुजरते हुए देखा. Thank you so much for patiently waiting for this. हमारे थामा के स्टार्स को बुला लें. बस हो गया ना वेट करके अभी. ठीक है, let's call upon the very very special. I genuinely like her. हर बार ये जब वो करती है तब मजे ही आ जाते हैं. First is the lady whom we loved in Chava already. Let's give a huge round of applause for the one, the only, Rashmika Mandanna! Guys, we can keep cheering and roaring for the one, the only, Rashmika! Woo-hoo! Come on stage, come on stage. Very good. Yes, that way. Thank you. मिलेगा मौका, मिलेगा. Splendid, splendid, very splendid to look at you. Rashmika looks like a dream. Can we please scream for Rashmika? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Actually, होने की जगह भी थामा बोलना चाहिए. Rashmika, it's so good to see you. You were fantastic in Chava. Guys, 1 second. थोड़ा calm down. Rashmika's come, Baba. All right, so Rashmika, the trailer has obviously broken the internet. There's a lot of love that's coming your way. The way you're looking in, tum mere na hue. Also, with the charm in every scene, what would you like to say? How are you dealing with all this love?
Pehle to, hi everyone, how are you? Having fun, we're just starting, so are you excited for a great show? Ha, ninbauna. Thank you. How am I feeling with all the love? I feel extremely grateful. Thank
So
you.
sweet.
See? Grateful. And I look forward to Thama release. I think it's going to be a different experience for all of you. Thank you so much for giving us all this love always. I love you. Thank you so much. You make my life worth living. Thank you.
Just do what you do normally. I'll start doing this with every person in my life now. Rashmika, कोई भी Maddock का event किसी surprise के बिना पूरा ही नहीं होता.
जी.
And I've heard that today while we're on stage there is another surprise for us.
Yeah.
क्या हम उस surprise को unsurprise कर सकते हैं? Can we not wait anymore? Can you please reveal?
Well, are you guys excited?
Are we excited? We need to make some noise.
I think the surprise now should just go as a surprise. You don't know what you're looking forward for, so be surprised.
Be surprised, be surprised. But you got to be excited also. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ phone पकड़ के खड़े. Excitement, right?
Okay, but listen, I've just realized that Maddock Universe, Dinesh sir, Amar Kaushik sir cannot do without great iconic music, okay? And with iconic music, you need someone iconic to be a part of that music, right? To lead the music. So today, we have the legend, the OG, Malaika Arora joining us.
Guys, can we please make some noise for Malaika Arora? Hello. Hi Malaika, Prerna, very very nice to see you. अरे बाप रे. Guys, we've got Malaika and Rashmika on stage. It's the OG. क्या 9th Juhu में extra air conditioner है because the mahal got hotter by so many more degrees. Malaika, I don't know how you do it every time, but this is the first time you're a part of the unforgettable, the most amazing MHCU, which is the Maddock horror comedy universe. How does it feel to be a part of this?
Well, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for that beautiful introduction. I'm super, super excited to be part of the Maddock horror comedy universe. It's been a great privilege to be part of it. I think after so long, I've really enjoyed a song. I'm really looking forward to it. Main aur kya bolu? It's going to be a dhamaka wala gana.
Are we ready for the Dhamaka and Rashmika, of course, standing here, but Malaika joining this entire universe? Are we ready? We need to make some noise.
We need to make some noise, everybody. Let's make some noise.
It is going to be so spectacular, baby. You have no idea what's going to hit you. Can we please have the visuals of Poison, baby? Right here.
Let's make some noise.
That is incredible. We're going to have it once more. But can we please, oh my God, what is that? Can we clap for Poison Baby and these two babies? Listen, of course, हमने देख लिया मलाइका अरोरा को along with Rashmika, along with Ayushmann. But इसके पीछे एक आवाज है जिसने ये गाना गाया है. She's equally responsible for actually setting the floor on fire. Can we please make some noise for Jasmine Sandless, along with the lovely Divya Kumar and the very magical, the Jain Hero of music, Sachin Jigar. Guys, can we please make some noise? Thank you very much. Good, we good?
Let's go.
Can we cue in the music for Jasmine? For Divya? And can we make some noise as well?
All right.
Woo!
आप लोग सब तैयार हैं क्या भाई लोग?
तो ये जो स्टार्टिंग की चार लाइन है ना उसमें वाह वाह बोलनी पड़ेगी आपको सबको, ठीक है? बहुत कोशिश की अब मुंह में पान रख के गाने की. हम दिल के बुरे नहीं,
लाहौल बिलाल
बोलो बाबा. बस एक खराबी है,
बस एक ही खराबी है बस.
आदत से नहीं. थैंक यू.
Okay. We are going to do this once more. लेकिन उससे पहले very quickly, can I just quickly ask Malaika? We're quickly going to have a photo op along with Malaika. Malaika's got to leave, but एक अच्छा सा quick सा photo. तालियां for this very amazing group. Malaika, आपसे ढेर सारी बातें करनी थी, but you've got a flight to catch. But you can hold on to this. Should I take this away from you? Yes. Photo op of this lovely team on stage. Thank you. Poison Baby, idhar hi hai. Malaika. Whoa. Tama on the 21st of October. This one's breaking it tonight. Right? Rashmika, thank you so much for standing and looking at me like a lover. आएगा मेरी जान. आने वाला है time. She's not going. She's not going, guys. मेरी मम्मी की कसम खा के बोल रही हूँ यार. Thank you. Jasmine, I'm a huge fan. I think जितने powerful tracks, guys, music, thank you. जितने powerful, unginat. Taras has got us tarsoing again and again. Yes, exactly. But I really, before we start with the whole deal, Sachin Jigar, you are the Jay and Veeru of music in general. But with MHCU, with Maddock Horror Comedy Universe, you tend to do it again and again and again, and I have no idea why and how. Actually, I'm thanking God that it's happening. एक बार ना मैंने सचिन जिगर से पूछा था ये सवाल कि what is your biggest fear? Sachin had to say कि जिगर को ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे ही एक सुपर हिट गाना दे दिया, उसके बाद उससे फिर से नहीं बनने वाला. जिगर constantly has this घबराहट in his जिगर that मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. And you've done it again. Can we please clap for Sachin Jigar, guys? It's insane what they do. Insane. Okay. Starting with Jasmine. Jasmine, क्या खा के आप बड़ी हुई हैं? क्या आपको अलग से इंजेक्शंस दिए गए हैं? कहाँ से आपकी जो आवाज़ है फुल जुनून वाली वो कहाँ से पैदा हो रही है ज़रा बताएं. और पॉइजन बेबी के बारे में आपके बेस्ट मेमोरीज शेयर कीजिए with our audience.
I feel so lucky. I feel so happy today that Poison Baby is out. Thank you, Sachin and Jigar. Thank you so much, Divya. It's been such an iconic project, and to see the video today was such a beautiful, massive surprise. I feel like the luckiest girl on the planet. As far as my voice is concerned, I was born in Punjab, so you could just imagine.
Look at that button! Nice. I also quickly want to ask Jasmine, जब आपने मलाइका को देखा, did you think it's going to get that gusto, that crazy? I mean, it's like a Jasmine Sanders song on a lot of energy, which is maddening. What was your first reaction when you saw Malaika dance to this song?
It is so sultry, it is so beautiful, it is so elegant. I love how she moves. The whole world has danced to Malaika since we can remember. The whole world is right now watching what's gonna happen next. It's song after song after song. We're just unstoppable, baby.
Love that. Of course, Sachin Jigar, I have too many questions to ask. This night is not going to be enough. I have to thank Universal Music along with Spotify Advertising and Maddock for getting all of us together under the same roof. सबसे पहली बात. But Divi Kumar, आपके लिए मेरा जो सवाल है is every time you sing, you make me want to dance. Every time. Do you dance on your songs as well, or you're like one of those actors जो खुद की फिल्में नहीं देखते?
Oh my God, you have to see him dance.
Really?
And trust me, you're going to forget his singing if you see him dance. He's such a good dancer. He's a
Oh my
family of
God.
dancers, actually.
मैं ऐसा
वो पॉइजन बेबी का स्टेप करके दिखा सकता है.
That's a good idea.
नहीं मैंने देखा नहीं अच्छे से बट आई वुड लाइक टू मैं यहाँ पर कोशिश करूँगा ये बोलने की मैडॉक और सचिन जिगर मेरी लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन्होंने प्ले किया है. फ्रॉम बदलापुर उसके पहले भी गो गोवा गोन हैप्पी एंडिंग सारी प्रोजेक्ट्स में मैडॉक के मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू मैडॉक, दीनो सर और सचिन जिगर जिन्होंने इतने आइकॉनिक गाने मुझे दिए हैं. तो डांस करने का मन करता है बिकॉज नच्चो सारे जी फाड़ के भी हमारा ही गाना है. एंड येस ऑफ कोर्स आई डांस टू माई सॉन्ग्स ऑल्सो. एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर दिस वंडरफुल सॉन्ग सचिन एंड जिगर एंड मेकिंग मी पार्ट ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल प्रोजेक्ट. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. और ये ऐसे ही प्यार बरसाते रहे मैडॉक हर फिल्म में मेरे ऊपर. मेरा जिंदगी सफल है. थैंक यू.
दिव्य कुमार, guys, can we please clap for दिव्य कुमार very quickly? देखिए अब ना जिसको मैं स्टेज पे बुलाने वाली हूँ, we will get chatting along with Sachin Jigar, of course, the magicians behind the music of Thama and Stree and Munja. But वो लड़के को बुलाते हैं, दिमाग खराब करके रख दिया है, ठीक है? राजमा चावल लवर, सिंघम जिसने 8 बार देखी है. That man is power, is the coolest betal in town. Can we please put our hands up together for the one, the only, Ayushmann Khurrana! आप बातें भी कर सकते हैं. अब आयुष्मान आ गए हैं, तो मैं क्यों पीछे हटूं?
See everyone now. Yeah.
Can we please make some noise for Ayushmann? And can I please make some more noise for the leading lady? जो इस bloody love story का हिस्सा है. अगर ये नहीं है तो क्या ही charm. Can we please make some noise again for Rashmika Mandanna?
नहीं बस एक खराबी है.
सब इतने सुंदर लग रहे हैं ना, मजा ही आ गया एकदम. कम
आदत से
मैं बस गिर ना जाऊं. Okay, we've got some questions. Obviously, रश्मिका का माइक जरा दे दीजिए, दे दो. माइक. हाथ दे रही हैं. दीदी हमें हाथ वो है. 3-4 माइक की क्या ही जरूरत. Okay. Rashmika, everybody wants to know what's chit-chatting between you and Jigar. But we will continue with Thama for now. Guys, this is 1/4 team of Thama. Sachin Jigar, आपसे सवाल पूछने ही हैं हमें ढेर सारे. Let's count all your songs. ऐसे गिनूंगी ना तो मतलब मेरी उंगलियां कम पड़ जाएंगी. There's Kamaria. Guys, every time I say a song, you gotta make some noise. Kamaria, Taras, आज की रात, तुम मेरे ना हुए, ठुमकेश्वरी. मतलब मैं कहाँ से ही शुरू करूँ? Sachin Jigar, is there any specific special formula for MH, for the Mad Dog Horror Comedy Universe, or is it the regular formula?
No, the formula is Dino sir and his trust in music.
Yeah.
He keeps music above everything, whether with us or with any other composer. I think his priority is to make great music, and he's one of the only producers I've seen who really, really takes the time. वो इतना वक्त देते हैं म्यूज़िक को, और कल गाना रिलीज़ होने वाला है तो आज तक उस पर मेहनत करने देते हैं और खुद भी करते हैं. सो आई थिंक इसका मैजिक फॉर्मूला इज़ दिनेश विजन सर, एंड आई थिंक वी आर एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेटफुल to we have done so much work with him, and I can promise you this is just the beginning.
Guys, just एक और बार, कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि सचिन जिगर को आप कंफ्यूज कर लेते हैं. जिगर, सचिन. Just reminding you, it is a possibility. Yeah, this is forever now. Tattoo बना लो अपने दिमाग के अंदर. It's a photo वाली memory. Sachin, your question, Poison Baby, we just saw. It is a banger track. Of course, the choreography is amazing. Jasmine and Divya are beautiful. What was the vibe in the studio जब आप ये banger track को अपने मसाले, melodies डाल के बना रहे थे?
जो जिगर ने कहा उसमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि हमारा जो कॉम्बिनेशन है उसमें एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कड़ी है अमिताभ भाई जो लिरिक्स लिखते हैं. एंड आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर कि हम लोग गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. ये बीट भी थी बट वी वर रियली नॉट क्रैकिंग इट. जब तक he arrived at Poison Baby. I mean, he said Poison Baby and boom, the song was there. So I think songs really literally come out of thin air. We can stand here all night long, take credit for it. But I think वो जब साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं, especially जितनी positivity दीनो सर के पास है, ऐसा लगता है कि उनके पास जब भी जाते हैं एक गाना तो बनेगा ही बनेगा, अच्छा बुरा चाहे जो भी हो. And there is always that process of elimination. So there are just way too many processes we follow. मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग आपस में इतने बड़े क्रिटिक्स हैं एक दूसरे के कि किसी और को मौका ही नहीं देना है, बस जो कि खुद ही कर लेते हैं.
Guys, Sachin Jigar 16 years and counting, bro. It's crazy. Crazy. Guys, can we please put our hands up together? देखिए बहुत सारे गाने हैं, सबको सेलिब्रेट करना है, समय बहुत कम है. Can I please ask Jasmine and Divya Kumar to just get back into the seat, get some popcorn, get entertained while we move on to the next track. Guys, can we please put our hands up together for Jasmine and for Divya Kumar and let the others stay on stage. Thank you, Jasmine. That's it. Thank you. All right, guys, after all that fire, after all that information, we're going to slow down for a moment of magic. We're talking about Mad Dog. When we talk about Mad Dog, we talk about iconic songs. We talk about songs which we pass on as a generational gift to people. Yes, Amar Kaushik is here. Amar Kaushik in the house. Can we please have you on stage? Woohoo! The man with the vision, the man who's created and helped Thama come to us on the 21st of October. Can we please put our hands up together for Amar Kaushik?
पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में बिजी हैं बहुत ज़्यादा.
अमर, ऑब्वियसली हमारे पास में आपके लिए सवाल है, लेकिन हम रह नहीं पा रहे.
हाँ तो पहले
तो रहे ना रहे हम करेंगे सबसे पहले. हम नहीं रह पा रहे हैं. अमर जी, आपने ये मौका दिया है हमें, इसके लिए हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं. But I'm going to call upon one of the very important people, the vital people of making this album happen. सौम्यदीप को जरा बुलाते हैं, ठीक है? Yes, can we please have सौम्यदीप on stage? Guys, जो गाने आप सुनते हैं ना, उनकी शक्ल आप देख पा रहे हैं आज. Can we please clap for Soumyadeep? Can we have the video? And can we have the song which is breaking the internet called The Soul of Thama, Rahe Na Rahe Hum.
मुझे पता नहीं क्या बोलना चाहिए इधर. I just want to say I am really so grateful to Sachin sir and Jigar sir to मेरे ऊपर भरोसा रखने के लिए. और पता नहीं मतलब और डिनो सर को भी बहुत 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 शुक्रिया उनको भी कि मेरे जैसे नए आवाज़ को
सौम्यदीप
मेन स्ट्रीम
जब फिल्म फेयर मिलेगा उसके लिए थोड़ा बचा के रखो.
नहीं सर.
चलो गाना सुनते.
मेरे दिल की बात सुन ली. जब इतने दिल से गाना बनता है तब दिल की बात सुन ही ली जाती है. कैन वी प्लीज क्लैप फॉर सौम्यदीप. एक बहुत ही फन फैक्ट अबाउट मैड डॉग जब भी एक फिल्म बनाते हैं कोशिश करते हैं एक नई आवाज ले आए. एंड दैट्स व्हाट जिगर जस्ट मेंशन. सौम्यदीप ने ये गाना गाया. दिस इज अ न्यू वॉइस. कैन वी प्लीज क्लैप फॉर द बॉय सौम्यदीप गाइस. कैन वी प्लीज क्लैप फॉर आयुष्मान खुराना. एक तो ही सो क्यूट. ऊपर से
इसमें क्लैप करने वाली क्या बात.
क्या मैं जितना आयुष्मान को आजकल देख रही हूँ मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को भी नहीं देख रही क्योंकि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है ही नहीं. ऊपर से खून पीते हैं. माय गॉड. ड्रीम बॉय आयुष्मान, हाउ did this song connect personally to you? I'd really like to know.
This was the announcement song of a film.
Yeah.
आज से पूरा 1 साल पहले पिछली दिवाली पर ये गाने के साथ हमने फिल्म अनाउंस की थी and it went viral. ये सिर्फ उसका मुखड़ा आया था और वो ट्रेंड कर रहा था रील्स पर. ये वाला गाना 1 साल पहले सिर्फ अनाउंसमेंट पे and we were all waiting for this song and finally this has come alive and what a great job done guys. Sachin, Jigar, Soumyadeep,
Really is.
अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य, everyone.
1 साल पहले ये अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था फिल्म का और आज डिनो सर ने बताया कि एक और अनाउंसमेंट है कि इस गाने का एक आयुष्मान खुराना वर्जन भी आने वाला है. तो आप लोग हम सब चाहेंगे कि आयुष्मान कैन वी हियर दिस.
नहीं, आई थिंक जब वर्जन आएगा उसके बाद गाऊंगा मैं. वर्जन के बाद गाऊंगा.
गाएंगे ऐसे मत करो. हम आपके कौन का वो वाला सीन हो गया. गाइए ना समधी जी. गाइस
फिर साथ में गाएंगे. बिल्कुल. आई थिंक वो माइनस की जरूरत कर सकते हैं.
कैन वी प्लीज प्ले द ट्रैक गाइस. थैंक यू.
सिंग टुगेदर. मेरे वर्जन का ट्रैक अलग है बाय द वे.
आयुष्मान खुराना, सचिन, जिगर, सौम्यदीप ऑफ द स्टेज क्विकली. सचिन जिगर की क्रिएशंस के बारे में आपकी सबसे फेवरेट चीज कौन सी है? व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू रियली लव अबाउट सचिन जिगर्स क्रिएशंस?
सचिन सर और जिगर सर के अरेंजमेंट्स सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत मॉडर्न फ्यूचरिस्टिक अरेंजमेंट्स होते हुए भी कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ही इंडियन या रूटेड साउंड करता है. जैसे कि इस गाने में ही शुरू में थोड़ा सूदनेस, थोड़ा कामनेस और बाद में जो बीट आता है उसमें हम वाइब भी कर सकते हैं बहुत.
So प्यार भी है और
थैंक यू.
I was going to say अहंकार भी है but not. Yeah, so something like that. सौम्यदीप के लिए तालियां. अमर कौशिक, thank you so much for joining us on stage. Rashmika, what were your feelings when you heard this track? Because I know this is going to go down the generations as one of the best love songs. And I don't want to like overplay this. पर मैं जानती हूँ सचिन जिगर के गानों को. I know what Pardesia did. And I know what this is going to do. How about you? What was your first reaction?
It is definitely going to do what you don't want it to do, which is just going to eat you alive.
Yeah.
It's just on the loop and loop and loop because it's happening to me right now.
Right.
But as in, this is the first song I heard from the film because Dinesh sir had just played me the song and I was like, okay, because I was like, okay, what is the emotion of the film, right? And this is the reference he had given, and today to see it come out in such a magical and enchanting way is something so special. And of course, Sachin sir and Jigar sir, I don't know how you guys do it. 16 years of non-stop blockbuster stuff.
We also don't know.
Really, I'm very proud. And I'm very grateful that I get to be in their direction.
Yeah. Listen, I'm going to get into the next song as well, right? लेकिन अमर सर यहाँ पे तो मैं quickly पूछना चाहती हूँ. I know it's crazy. I know there's a lot of a lot of emotion. 21st of October is going to make all of us a little cuckoo in the head, क्योंकि already हम थोड़े से cuckoo हो चुके हैं. आप बताइए, इसमें हंस भी रहे हैं, डर भी रहे हैं, प्यार भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. Where can you find the fine balance while you're creating something like this? How did it not drive you cuckoo in the head?
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये सबको ही ड्राइव करता है, मतलब ऐसा सिर्फ मुझे नहीं, सबको ही होता है.
थामा सबको मामा बना रहे हैं वैसे, सही बात है.
देखिएगा क्या बनाता है वो.
राइट.
बट यस, ये गाने के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. ये गाना जब से इन्होंने हमको सुनाया है, पिछले 1 साल से हमारे कान में बज रहा था. इवन शूट पे भी हम ये बजाते थे जब भी हमको कुछ इमोशन लेके आना होता था. और हम पूरा एकदम डायरेक्टर ने जब ये गाना प्लेस किया है फिल्म में, कमाल आया है. आप देखिएगा फिल्म में किस तरीके से ये फिल्म को और इनहांस करता है.
We cannot wait for the Thamaka on the 21st of October. Can we please clap for Amar Kaushik? Can we please ask Rashmika, Ayushmann, Sachin Jigar to ठहर जाओ on stage? Amar sir, thank you. अब ये जाने का टाइम हो गया है. This is your cue to leave, but it's our cue to move on to the next Thamaka of a song. Can we please? Now this one is definitely, I know I've been talking about every song like this is my favorite, this is also my favorite. This one definitely is all our favorite. It's called Tum Mere. Rashmika is killing it. She's thrilling it. She is just sizzling it. Guys, can we please make our hands put together for the singer Shraddha Mishra. Call her up on stage so that she can sing this track. And can we please have Rashmika and Ayushmann do what they do best? And it's for you, thank you. Guys, Shraddha Mishra in the house. Tum Mere, which is killed it on the YouTube, is breaking the internet. Over to you. Please. you so much. Sachin Jigar, thank you for composing this. I'm quickly going to be a very rude child. And I'm going to ask all the three of you, just the three of you, for a take. आप यहाँ से भी जा सकती हैं, ma'am. अच्छा. And can I please... This song is obviously dedicated to Ayushmann from me. Na hue, na sahi. Guys, I know they'll come on the center. 1 second, उससे पहले वो लोग dance करेंगे ना? Can we please put our hands up together for Ayushmann Khurrana and Rashmika? मैं पकड़ लूँ? मैसेज कर लूँ किसी को भी? थोड़ा क्या टाइम थोड़ा कट है, पिक्चर देखेंगे 21 अक्टूबर को. आपका फोन आयुष्मान, एक काम करते हैं, मेरा मन पिघल गया. आयुष्मान और रश्मिका वंस मोर. What the hell are you all doing? What a performance! What a performance!
Listen, it's her song. I'm not in the song. I'm just. मैं reaction दे रहा हूँ गाने में यार.
That's the thing. You are such a great spirit to have around every song. It's just nice to have you around, Ayushmann. Guys, can we please clap for Rashmika and Ayushmann? Can we please call upon Sachin Jigar on stage? Can I also have Shraddha on stage as well? यहाँ से आ जाओ. वहाँ से आपके पैरों को तकलीफ मत दो. Thank you. Wow. I'm telling you. Amar sir, please come on stage as well. Thank you. सबके लिए एक माइक दे दीजिए प्लीज. There you go. There you go. All right. Rashmika, when I saw this chemistry is as fresh as the kind of makhan my dadi used to make, fresh on the paratha. This chemistry is sizzling
Paratha.
on the paratha. Yummy paratha.
That's where we're going.
We'll come back. We'll come back to Tum Mere. What's the secret sauce? We've never seen you do something like this.
Yes. The reason why, as in it just came out of thin air, like sirs have been saying that music comes out of thin air, but this truly for me as an artist came out of thin air because one day Amar sir, Aditya sir, Dinesh sir were just sitting on the set and they were like, you know what, we have an idea and why don't we just shoot a song? It just came like that and I was like, let's go, and I didn't know what I was walking into.
Yeah.
And I had just come out of a fracture, which was like 3 months in, and they told me that this is the song that they want to shoot for. And I was like, huh, but how are you going to dance for this song?
Yes.
Because this is like a very heartbreak sort of a song, but also it is so interesting of how for a music like this, they've created a dance like this. So I remember it just came out of that, and today to see it happen like this, and I always wanted to surprise my audience in a way that they didn't know what to look forward to, and I think Maddock is the best arena to do that.
Trust me. I mean, it's crazy. Rashmika on that track in Tum Mere with all those moves that's driving the country and the globe crazy. Can we please clap for Rashmika, guys? Thank you very much. Ayushmann, we've seen you sing, we've seen you act. You're wonderful at everything that you do. Yeah, I know you're modest about it, but for once you can say, I'm crazy. I'm amazing.
I'm crazy. I'm not sure I'm amazing or not, but I'm crazy for sure.
But you're amazing for sure. How does it feel when a stunning song like this is filmed for you?
Well, of course, this is completely Rashmika's song.
Yes.
I'm there admiring her beauty in the
Yes.
song. That's my character in the song. And
Yes.
she's, of course, singing for me. But yeah, it's her song. There's one section in between I'm dancing, but overall she's done the dancing and everything. We had only 2 days to rehearse. Last day on the set, और वो set बहुत खूबसूरत था. वो तोड़ने से पहले उसमें आपको utilize करना चाहते थे, and we did that song. That was so impromptu, as Rashmika said. तो ये इसके पीछे की कहानी है. But this is one of my favorite tracks in the film. Or it has a good mix of everything, I think.
Yes, that's true. And all songs bring this lovely flavor constantly. Sachin Jigar, as we've spoken about this, we've established you're redefining the music of the universe. One track at a time, one step at a time. How do you keep surprising us every time? Sachin, bol.
No, we have to surprise ourselves first.
Yes.
And let me tell you, ये music actually surprise नहीं है. ये film बहुत बड़ी surprise है क्योंकि जब हमें बताया था अमर और डीनो सर ने कि we are making a love story in the horror universe and we need a love song, and when we made रहे ना रहे हमको ऐसा लगा यार ऐसा तो क्या ही प्यार कर लेंगे है ना. लेकिन जब अब हमने फिल्म देखी तो हमने सोचा ओ ऐसा भी प्यार कर सकते हैं.
Right.
So I think it's the universe that surprises us and gives us the scope to play.
Right. Sachin, if you had to give Jigar rating out of 10.
For his looks, 20 out of 10.
There are 3 categories. For his looks, for him as a partner, as a co-composer, and for his vision.
See, you know, his or our vision is coming from Dinesh Vision.
Yes! I was waiting for that. No, but no, for real.
But, you know, for real, I mean, can't be more luckier.
Yeah.
Uska naam hi Jigar hai, you know. He's the rebel in the combination. He's the go-getter. And he's also the one who doesn't sleep at nights, saying कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते दोबारा. So he's the one that, you know, sets a very high standard for us to break. And just like he said, you know, sometimes I feel कि अगर गाना चलता है तो I am not surprised क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. So, you know, really there is such a huge cancellation amongst all of us. अगर मुझे जिगर को दीनो सर को और अमिताभ भाई को पसंद आ जाए तो फिर अमर सर एंटर करते हैं. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन ही अमर है.
कमाल है. कुछ भी कहें अब, और श्रद्धा से तो मैं पूछने वाली हूँ. सबसे पहले, this fur jacket is amazing. It feels so nice. And how did it feel to sing in front of this very beautiful audience? लेकिन उससे पहले जरा एक काम करते हैं. Let's just make some noise again. Okay, now there's this man who has actually gotten all of this together, made sure कि आज जब अंत का काम बाकी है फिर भी आदित्य सरपोतदार यहाँ पे आएगा. Can we please make some noise for the director of Thama, Aditya Sarpotdar? That's what I said. I'm sure Aditya's got 28,000 things to do, but he's still here. Aditya,
Hi.
आपसे तो सवाल पूछेंगे, of course. We need to know everything about Thama. एक एक करके. श्रद्धा से पहले सवाल पूछते हैं very quickly. Shraddha, this song is killing it. It's killing it. It is breaking the chart on Spotify. How does it feel to A, sing in front of this audience, and B, to be a part of a song like that?
First of all, I'm just a presenter here, and this song is actually sung by Madhubanti ma'am, and I am very happy कि सर ने मुझे यहाँ पे चूज़ किया कि मैं आप लोगों के सामने ये गाना प्रेजेंट कर सकूँ, because I'm a huge fan of Sachin sir and Jigar sir, and I'm also a student of them. और मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ मधुबंती मैम की भी, और आप लोगों के सामने ऑफ कोर्स मुझे गाने का ये सौभाग्य मिला, सो उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
That's incredible, guys. Can we please clap for Shraddha Mishra? आदित्य, आपका ये सवाल मैं आपको पूछने वाली, आपका ये सवाल मैं ही पूछ रही हूँ. आदित्य, the question for you is, this is gaining more and more energy every day. It's, as I said, killing it on the internet every day. There's a lot of anticipation for the 21st of October. हमने ना आयुष्मान को, ना रश्मिका को, ना परेश रावल को, ना नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी को, ना फैजल मलिक को, ना मलाइका को, ना नौरा को, ना सचिन जिगर को इस अवतार में देखा है. एंटिसिपेशन आपके लिए कैसे है कि आप हर रोज सुबह को अपना ब्लड प्रेशर चेक कर रहे हैं सर?
ब्लड प्रेशर तो नहीं चेक करा, एक्चुअली आई वाज ऑन माय वे फ्रॉम सेंसर स्क्रीनिंग टू मिक्सिंग एंड DI, और वो ऐसे टाइम पे ना हम अभी की फिल्म कंप्लीट करने के लिए और डिलीवर करने के लिए 2 दिन, तो अमर और मैं हम दोनों ऐसे घूम रहे. जिगर वी बीन मीटिंग हिम ऑन एंड ऑफ ऑन द मिक्सिंग सेशंस, बट anticipation is there for all of us also. Yeah, we are really looking forward to showing everyone the film. I want to show them the film. I want to show you all the film. So, and we want to put our best film ahead. We want to put the best version of the film ahead. So, अभी जैसे we are counting days. अभी 21st को रिलीज हो रही है फिल्म, तो हमारे लिए उसको 4 दिन पहले देनी होती है फिल्म, डिलीवर करनी होती है फिल्म. तो हाँ, टाइम है, थोड़ा टाइम है, पर इतना टाइम नहीं है. But it's very exciting to see how people are loving the song that we are putting out there. And so much hard work done by everybody is being appreciated, which is great to see. तो अभी anticipation 21st की मुझे ज़्यादा है. ब्लड प्रेशर मैं चेक मेरा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक इनको प्रोड्यूसर साहब को ज़्यादा टेंशन भी हो सकता है. बट
ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करो ना करो, ब्लड चूसने के लिए एक ही आदमी आने वाला है. द ब्लड सकर इज राइट नेक्स्ट टू यू. So it doesn't sound right, but it is the truth. 21st of October, Thama comes in the theaters. Thank you so much. We're going to have a quick photo op with all of you all. I'm going to take your mics and quickly call you again for another segment. Sorry. धन्यवाद. नहीं आपका फोटो op है. आप कैसे उतरोगे? Okay. Universal Music and Dhruvang and Arjun from Spotify Advertising. Can we please clap for them as well? Sometimes we need encouragement while we're taking photo op. Thank you. Ayushmann and Rashmika, you can quickly take a seat. Guys, this event, thama. This event would be nothing without you, the media. We also have creators that are going to come on stage. We have some special people which are making Thama as big.
Look at our outfits. I know.
Guys, can we please have the track? Poison Baby. वैसे तो पूरी रात बजना चाहिए लेकिन अभी बजा लो फटाफट से.
Is Jasmine gonna sing right now? The Punjabi Queen?
Hands together for Poison Baby, everybody!
Put your hands up together for Jasmine Sandless, everybody! Guys, also, I cannot wait to dance on this song and many more from Thama at Diwali parties. Crazy होने वाला है बिल्कुल. Please clap for Lauren and Jasmine. Thank you very much. Can we also... A very amazing Rashmika ji. Kashish? We can continue. Kashish is still on his way, so what we're going to do is we're going to ask Ayushmann and Rashmika both to come on stage very, very quickly. आदित्य, आपको जाने नहीं दे सकते, आपको भी स्टेज पे आना पड़ेगा. The last time. I promise. Come. Last. Come, pakka. From here. Yeah. आओ तो सरी. Aditya, you on stage as well. Thank you. Guys, obviously, we're marking almost the end of tonight. I quickly want to say thank you for all of you to come here. आखिरी कुछ सवाल जो है हमारे लिए, हमारे पास रश्मिका, आयुष्मान और आदित्य सर के लिए. आदित्य, आपके ऊपर ये सवाल है अभी, इन दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा नॉटी कौन है और सबसे ज्यादा सिंसियर कौन है?
एक्चुअली दोनों बहुत सिंसियर है और नॉटी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. आई थिंक वेरी वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग यार. एक्चुअली हाँ, ये करेक्ट बोली. नॉटीनेस के लिए टाइम ही नहीं था हमारे पास. वी वर शूटिंग बैक टू बैक रोज. क्या नॉटीनेस करे यार. बट एक्चुअली हमारे प्रोड्यूसर नॉटी है, वो निकल गए वहाँ से. आपने उनका गाने में देखी झलक, तो जो नॉटीनेस किया उन्होंने गाने में, तो अमर जी ने किया है. He's been a lot of fun to work with, but दोनों बहुत सिंसियर एक्टर्स है. आई थिंक दे पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इन. सो नॉटी तो है नहीं दोनों, थोड़ी नॉटीनेस करनी पड़ेगी ना. और
Is there anyone from the cast who was very, very naughty or just would make you laugh so much that you couldn't concentrate? Paresh Rawal.
Paresh ji, why he was naughty, you know, उनका naughtiness ऐसे नहीं है, बिकॉज उनके रेफरेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स इतने हैं. हम उनको रोज सेट पे पूछते थे कि अरे आपका वो उस फिल्म का डायलॉग आपने कैसे किया था, और हेरा फेरी और अंदाज अपना हमारे इतने गप्पे होते थे.
fanboys around him.
We were fanboys around him, yeah. And he used to do it for us, म्हणजे he used to reenact, he used to tell us some amazing stories about his films. So Paresh ji was the naughtiest.
Nice. Guys, Ayushmann Khurrana, so many questions have already been asked to you about Thama, about your anticipation, about the excitement, about कैसा लग रहा है Maddock Horror Comedy Universe का हिस्सा बनके. Is there any question you want to ask me, the audience? Any question? What would that question be? डाल दिया ना spot पे. Spotified. Ayushmann like, Sharshav. I'm going to start playing Damsharaj right now.
Invite Shashank and Amrita first.
Okay. अच्छा, आयुष्मान आप पहले जवाब देंगे, उसके बाद में I have one more thing to do. But like, yeah. Spot. Ask me the question, na? Ask. Yeah. We've asked you so many questions. What question would you like the audience?
प्रेरणा, तुम क्यों डांस नहीं करती? तीन गाने हमारे डांस वाले हैं. You have not danced in front of us.
I too love dancing. You don't follow me on Instagram. You don't know. The day you start following, तुम मेरे हो चुके हो सनम।
गा भी दिया और डांस भी
मेरा
कर दिया।
वर्जन है।
बहुत अच्छा क्यूट वर्जन है प्रेरणा, मैं फॉलो करना बनता है अब।
थैंक यू। देखिए हम फटाफट से काम करते हैं, इनको और स्पॉट में नहीं डालते हैं, इनको आराम करने देते हैं, ये पिक्चर को निकल जाने देते हैं। हम जो धीरे धीरे कोशिश कर रहे हैं एक्साइटेड होने की, लेट्स मेक श्योर दैट दैट एक्साइटमेंट कैन ट्रूली come to life on the 21st of October. Rashmika, Ayushman, Aditya, the entire team of Maddock, Universal Music, Spotify Advertising. I am so happy and glad. मैं जब कुछ करने वाली होती हूँ ये आती है मेरे पास में और मेरा स्क्रिप्ट बदल देती है। हम थैंक यू बोलेंगे लेकिन उससे पहले हम कशिश कपूर को बुलाएंगे and for that I would like Ayushman and Aditya to take their seats. Come back in a second. Rashmika, just stay on stage. Don't worry.
You're going to dance for us.
Let them be. Oh, बहुत बढ़िया. Aditya, Rashmika and Ayushman. Rashmika डरी हुई है guys. कोई छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा उसे.
Please cheer for us.
Aditya and Ayushman are right
Please cheer for
here.
us.
Kashish Kapoor, please come on stage. Kashish Kapoor is here, guys. Talia, you're welcome. Kashish Kapoor के साथ में तुम मेरे ना सही is the song. Can we please play the video for तुम मेरे ना सही? रश्मिका के लिए ढेर ढेर सारी तालियां, आयुष्मान के लिए ढेर सारी तालियां. Thank you so much. Aditya, Ayushman and Rashmika, this is the final few things that we're going to do on stage. जरा आगे आ जाइए. We're calling a few creators to take a selfie. Ayushman, stage. अरे once more, एक second. मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं. But you can't go yet because there's a photo that needs to be done. Photo. No dance, no more dance. All three. Guys, ये मेरे मामा की शादी नहीं है. Once more, एक second. Actually मेरे 5 मामा है, just for like fun fact. सबकी शादी हो गई है. Can I please call upon Namrata and Shashank on stage? Namrata and Shashank will take a quick selfie. come as well. Namrata, please come. आप नम्रता हैं. आपकी शक्ल देख के ही लगता है आप नम्रता हैं. आप शशांक हैं. बताओ मुझे कैसे पता चला. पता चल गया बस. सेल्फी लेनी है. Guys, we have to. Aditya, why are you leaving me? Yeah? It's a selfie with the team. These are fans. Yes, yes. आगू नहीं है. मैं ले रही हूँ सेल्फी. मैं भी सेल्फी में हूँ. ओके. Guys, आप ये तुरंत ये फोटो ले लो वरना क्या है. ओके, स्माइल. रश्मिका दिखाई दे रही है. नाइस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. कैन आई हैव द Spotify advertising team to take a quick selfie with Ayushmann and Rashmika. आखिरी फोटो. Can I have Spotify advertising team to take the selfie? Quick photo. आ रहे वो लोग प्लीज गाइज. Once more तो डांस तो नहीं कर रहे हैं अब ये. अगर ये डांस करने का मन जताएंगे भी तब भी मैं इनका मन बंद कर दूंगी. The media pictures are done. They're done. Yeah. Spotify advertising on stage quickly. Thank you very much. Please come. Guys, can we please clap? If this night has happened, it's happened because quick picture along. Thank you. Universal Music, Maddock Films, Spotify Advertising.